Yeah. Basic exercises. Yeah. Close your feet into the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change weight and then 1, 2. Elbows out. Yeah, there's a little thing. You see how your feet not pretty, and you have to be here. See you standing like this. That's not. You see, that's immediately no. No, inside edge of the toe. Inside edge, inside edge. Yeah, and this knee straight. This straight. Yeah, and you roll it in. Yes. It can be more pretty. Turn out this one more. Yeah. Oh, that's better. So see, this foot not as trained as another one. Other one was better. Yeah. And just equal. So don't keep them here. Just equal. The same. Yeah. And just squeeze. Yeah, that's better. And now changing weight as you brush. And quick, and quick, and slow. Now as you brush, rotate hip back and stretch rib cage forward as much as you can. Yeah. Where is your neck? Yeah. Drop the shoulders down. Yeah. Long neck. Yes. Squeeze here. It's equal like that. Yeah. So you stretch diagonal. You need diagonal in the body. You need to rotate more. Yeah, like this. Now chair transfer and then rotate diagonal. Yes, and squeeze. And quick, and slow. And quick, and slow. Now when you change brush, and quick, and slow. Open my arms like him. Yes. Go. Quick, and slow. And quick, and now more rib cage. You see, like you stay very flat. You want to have this. Yes. Yeah. But shoulders are in the same line. Shoulders flat. But this part not flat. Yeah. And 2. Yeah, this rib cage. Yeah. And 3, stay connected. And 4. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick. Like you go for exercise, you work out your body, right? So here's the same. Here's not you just, it's not this. Just touch. Feel. Boom, boom, boom. Are you doing this? There's not much actions there. So you have your hip and your rib cage. Boom. 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 So there is something in the body change. Yeah. Yeah. Cheek, yes. Cheek. And stop. So here you need to feel stretch. Here you feel closed. Yeah, this position one, yeah. And cheek, and close. Stop. So this is closed, this is stretched. Yeah, that's better. Cheek, and close. Cheek, and close. Now the same in this position. So here, rotate, and just like so. See, this is open, this is closed. Yeah. Rotate other side, one. And you see now, this is closed, this is open. And quick, and slow, and quick, and slow. Time step, together, side. Together, side, quick, and slow. One more action. Rib cage, then hip come later. Cheek, slow. Yes.